Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is the second part of my Sultry palette play, and in this video we're going to be creating 3 looks using this palette. And if you guys are new to my palette play series, the first part, which I'll link up above, is a swatch video, basically all the colors on my eyelids, and that's so you can see them and let you know all about the product. The second video, I do 3 different kinds of looks. I do a dramatic look, which is very, like, dramatic, glamorous, bold. That is the first look. The second look is a very subtle / neutral, and you know, you can get a lot of neutrals. I mean, this is a very neutral palette, minus those 2 pops of color, which I'm wearing on my lids right now. So that's just for the girl who's on the go. You know, she can just do it real fast, real easy. It's not hard to recreate, and you can just wear it anywhere with anything and you'll look beautiful. The third look is the artsy / colorful look. Now this palette only had 2 colors, and I really wanted to bring those in some kind of look, so I decided to do it with the third look, which is right here. And as always, I will have these time-stamped below, and you guys can go to any look you want, but I do all these 3 looks just to, you know, make a bigger audience happier with different styles, you know, that they like to create. So if you guys want to see all 3 of these looks, then just keep watching. And as always, I will be doing a voiceover on them because it is just easier to film all of these continuously and not have to talk, and it's just easier for you guys, so it doesn't take as long. But I hope you guys enjoy these looks, and I will see you guys in my next video. Alright, so this is the dramatic look, and I did a really intense smoky eye, and I used the black because I don't normally use black, but for this palette, this black is intense, and I really wanted to use it for this look. So I am pretty happy with this dramatic look, and I don't really do a lot of darker smoky eyes. I try and get out of my comfort zone, and with this one I am really out of my comfort zone. But let me just show you guys this black, because holy smokes. You would have already seen it in the swatch video, but I mean, whoa. Like, let's see here. Holy crap, right? I mean, that's ridiculous. That is beautiful. So, if you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. Also, do you hear that in the background? That's my 2-year-old. That's the only way I can get videos done. I have to just put her in bed with a tablet and put on a Baby Shark. If you guys don't know what Baby Shark is, I don't know where you've been. But, also, halfway through this, I realized I was not wearing these earrings. So the first part of it, I'm not wearing earrings. The second part, I put them on because I'm like, oh, I forgot to put on my earrings. Anywho, enjoy this look. Alright, so this first look we were doing for the dramatic look, I'm going in with Birch as the transition color, and this I am kind of making very, like, intense and smoky, and then I'm going in with Twig, and I'm just going to deepen up right underneath the transition with Twig, and this will just give it more, like, depth and dimension. And this is something that you definitely want to blend out as you go. I mean, whoo, we are going in with Noir. Is it Noir? 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 I think it's Noir. And I am creating a base for the halo effect, and this black is the most pigmented black I have ever tried. And I have a lot of blacks in my palette, and this is just ridiculously pigmented. So Dystopian is going to blend that black in. As you saw, I did a tiny little light black line, and I am blending that in with Dystopian. And Dystopian is that kind of really beautiful, rich, chocolatey brown. This is fresh to clean up the top, and I forgot my earrings, so I kind of put them on there. Okay, so critique is to do that center color that we left open, that halo effect. And then I am using Cinder to halo my halo. And that is this beautiful kind of rich, pretty gold shade. And that's Pearl to halo my halo's halo. We are extra here. Alright, Birch I am taking on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to be using Twig. Nope, just kidding. That was Dystopian. Did I use Twig already? Whatever, Dystopian. And I'm going to tuck that up against the lash line. And then Noir to connect the other black from the upper part of the eye. So it all looks, you know, put together. And then I'm taking Cinder again to add some sparkle over the top of that black. And then I'm going to be taking Pearl on the inner corner. Now Pearl is a little flaky, so I would suggest tapping your brush off before you use that. Okay, Pixie by Petra and Fresh Face Blush in Beach Rose. And this color is so beautiful. It's so soft. You want something very subtle with this look since the eye look is so intense. And this next color is intense. I know, I just said subtle, but you know, it's highlighter, whatever. So I'm actually using a mix of the Milani Stellar Lights in Rose Glow, and that is going to be gold and then that really beautiful pearl. And that just kind of, it didn't make it too bright and it didn't make it too gold. It was like the perfect amount of oomph. Kind of pulled in that gold on my halo, haloed halo. So, yeah. Upper lip, yeah. Oh, it's beautiful lipstick. L'Oreal Color Riche in 978 All Out Pout. And that is the first look. And seeing the gorgeous and the dramatic, yes, yes. This is the neutral look or subtle look. I mean, it's not really intense and it was very easy. But it is just very, you know, just kind of, you can easily just put this on and leave. There's no like lashes, there's no contour, just a little bit of blush, a little bit of highlighter, some lip gloss, not even a lipstick. And this eye look was really easy to create. So if you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. So for this neutral look, I am going in with Twig for my transition, and this is just very easy. Anyone can do this, and I think you can do this and just, you know, leave the house and you're good to go. So I'm blending the top of that out with Fresh, which is a really nice color to do some blending if you have like over applied some color. I know ABH's palettes are so pigmented, it's a little easy to go a little too crazy on these colors, but Fresh really helped blend that top color out. So now I'm going with Pearl. We're going to be putting this all over the lid. Now this color is flaky. This had the most fallout out of any of the other colors. And even though it's beautiful, it's very soft and shimmery, it just had the most fallout, but still gorgeous. Alright, going in with Cinder, I'm going on the outer lid. I am going to be using this once more, but for that outer lid color, I am deepening it up with Dystopian. So I'm just kind of blend those in again after this, Cinder right out there. But Dystopian is this beautiful fudgy brown. You can work this into any of the looks, subtle or dramatic, and it would look so pretty. This color blends out really beautifully too, so I'm just blending here. Blend, blend, blend until your fingers bleed, and then blend some more. Alright, so now I'm going in with Cinder again just to help soften up the edge of Dystopian there because it was a bit harsh. Alright, you can apply any kind of eyeliner to this or none at all depending on how neutral or subtle you want to go. I just wanted to do a wing. It's a great question. I don't know why I wanted to do a wing, but here I am doing a wing. You're welcome. Alright, now we're moving on to the lower lash line, and I am doing, what is that, Twig and Dystopian, I believe. And I am just deepening up that lower lash line. And Cinder again. I really love Cinder. I think that's like my favorite color in the palette. It's so pretty. Alright, Pearl I'm going in with for the inner corner. And I actually filmed this while I was doing a BoxyCharm review from last month. So this is that Box's blush, which did not go with this look. Use a neutral look, but if you're wondering, it is Space Case Cosmetics blush. It's not me, it's my sign. Alright, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Pearl. This is her cream highlighter. This is not her powder one, although she does have the same color, I believe, in a powder. So now I am going in with Bare Minerals Gen Nude and Everything for the lips. And that is the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, because it's just subtle and easy. Alright guys, this is the artsy look, or colorful look. We're going to say colorful just because this palette, you know, it has just those two pink shades for pops of color. So obviously I used all the colors that this palette had. So we'll just say this is the colorful look from the palette. But if you guys want to see this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so I am going in with Birch for this colorful look. This is pretty much the only colorful look I could create with this palette. But I'm going with Birch as my transition shade, and then I'm going to be going in with that gray Slate, which was a very scary color to go into. And I'm just deepening up that corner. I really wanted to use colors I was uncomfortable with, and Slate made me very uncomfortable. So we're doing it. I did it all for you guys. Congratulations, I love you. Bloom, oh man, okay, this color is so pigmented. Look at that. I'm barely touching my eye and boom, pigment. It's this beautiful salmon pink, almost coral kind of shade, and I'm creating a halo. Go figure. Okay, so I am actually pushing this in, and then I am dragging it onto that salmon color, Bloom, and it's actually creating a really beautiful gradient, and then that way that lid space in the middle is open up for me to do Cyborg. Oh yes, this is my favorite color. Favorite. Absolute favorite. And that has this beautiful kind of lilac, almost like peach shift to it, so it looked great with these colors together. And I sprayed that with a little bit of Fix Plus, and we are just slowly working that into the middle and pushing it out through Rose Quartz there, just to give it that really nice blend. And you do not need much with this to make that Cyborg color pop. Okay, so I'm going in with Slate and Noir, whatever, and I am deepening up the bottom of my brow bone there. And I really wanted to pull in a little bit of black just to give this a little bit more drama. I feel like the Slate was kind of washing out with those other colors, so I just wanted to add a little bit of a darker color. Alright, now I'm going in with Pearl as my inner corner highlight, and this is the perfect highlight shade in this palette. It's just so pretty with all of these colors. It can work with every single one of them. And underneath my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm going back in with Slate, and I am doing my lower lash line. And this gray, I mean, it is gray, you guys. So if you guys are scared of gray, then I'm not too sure if you guys will like this palette. I mean, if you like neutrals, you'll like it, but Rose Quartz, I'm going in with Rose Quartz under there. Rose Quartz is a little bit harder of a color to work with. I found it to be, it didn't go on as easily as the others. I think that might be a little bit better with your finger. Alright, so this is the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Blush in Bashful. I actually broke this. It broke, it fell on the ground, I had to push it back together, so that's why the color looked weird in the pan. But it's still just a beautiful pinky with a very light shimmer. It just lifts your cheeks up and gives them that tiny little kiss of peach, which I thought was perfect for this look. Okay, now the Flower Beauty Shimmer and Strobe Highlighting Palette. I'm going in with that beautiful pink shade. I'm just kind of putting it right above the blush color, not where I put the blush color, just a little above to lift those cheeks. And then I'm going in with that highlight shade, and I'm just going to be applying the highlight. And this color is Flower Beauty, like, knocked it out of the park. I mean, they did awesome. Her palette was just absolutely stunning. So, I mean, this palette, you can create a colorful look using these two colors only. So if you guys are into those colors, then there you go. I think you guys would like this palette, but mostly it's a darker, more sultry neutral palette. I had to bring in more color with that lip though. ColourPop lipstick in Dream Easy. Holy schmokeronies. You look how bright that is. Oh, but it looked so good with this look. I was so proud of it. Alright guys, well that completes this video with 3 looks using the gorgeous Sultry palette. And if you guys enjoyed any of these looks, let me know down below. And subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like or a comment. Maybe even let me know if you guys have created your own tutorials on your own channels. And if you would like to see other palette play videos, I will leave a link above with the series. And check back soon for the new nude palette by Huda Beauty. I will be putting that out, and I am really excited for that. So if you guys want to see that, also subscribe so you don't miss it. Alright, well I will see you guys later. Bye!